We are in Red River Gorge in Kentucky at whatever this is a mascot for, some cave where you can kayak through. So we're gonna go kayak through a cave, and it's like an hour and a half. So that's what we're about to see.
It's just a common salamander. I forget what exactly the name that goes with that word. Things of that nature. Comes in here whenever it starts to get a little bit cold outside. There's 2 benches there for y'all to sit on while you remove your shoes.
So this is the clear bottom kayaks. This is pretty cool. It'd be hard to video and paddle at the same time though. Oh yeah, yep.
You look in the back corner of it over there, you won't see that pot poking out of it. And my green boat is very careful with that, sir. You run it over and not tip you in. Now, that pot poking out of the
That's the ceiling going by with something that's living up there. We'll find out what it is in a minute. What was a fish under there?
Yeah, I mean, when we first got them, we originally got 50 of them for free in 2017. They were given to us, and people love them, so now we have like 150 of them.
These are huge